Alright guys, today I'm doing an Instant Pot recipe. So I have here organic girl greens, super greens. This is probably one of my favorite ones. It's got a nice mix in there. I got an onion, a can of stewed tomatoes, carrots, and I have some chicken chicken thighs that are skinless and everything. So I'm going to be cooking that in the Instant Pot. So I'm going to make a little bit of a stew. I'm going to add some rice to it, add a can of chickpeas that I have here. So, and yeah, so that's going to mix in. So I'm not going to put the greens in there right away this time. I'm actually going to put the greens in there at the end once it's all done, or actually on top of your bowl. So when you put your stew in there, it's going to cook the greens anyway. So that's how I'm going to use it. Okay. All right, guys, stay tuned. I'll be right back. Okay, so it's ready. As you can see, it's all geared up. I'm going to be putting in into the button for poultry, and then I'm going to do a quick taste test once it's done. And like I said, I'm going to top it off with my greens a little bit later. I'm going to do this as a base. All right, guys, stay tuned. All right, guys, so we're going to do a quick taste test. As you can see, I put the greens in my bowl already. So check this out. Let's do a quick taste test of the broth and everything. Give you a good idea. It's got a nice aroma to it. It's got decent flavor. The chicken really melds in there pretty good. Yeah, definitely check it out, guys. If you have any questions, comments, please subscribe to the channel.